Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to make chili with ground turkey. We're going to start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of lean ground turkey, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 can each of kidney and black beans, and some fresh aromatics. Don't forget your spices: 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. These simple ingredients will form the delicious foundation of our chili. Now let's get cooking. First, brown your 1 pound of ground turkey in a large pot over medium-high heat until it's fully cooked. Make sure to drain any excess fat to keep your chili light and healthy. Next, add your chopped onion, bell peppers, and garlic to the pot, sautéing them until they are nice and soft. Finally, stir in your chili powder, cumin, and oregano, letting them toast for about 1 minute to release their amazing aromas. It's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Add your 2 cans of diced tomatoes, along with the kidney and black beans, to the pot. Then, pour in 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. This helps create the perfect consistency. Bring the chili to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour, allowing all the ingredients to meld into a rich, delicious chili. Your delicious ground turkey chili is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and pepper as needed to suit your preference. Serve your warm chili with your favorite toppings, perhaps some shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or even some fresh cilantro. For those who like a little kick, a dash of hot sauce or a pinch of cayenne pepper works wonders. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.